Here at the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, we believe that everyone has the right to a safe and inclusive workplace. That's why we launched our project Beyond Labels, manufacturing a stigma-free workplace, aimed at combating HIV-related stigma and discrimination. Despite progress, over 80% of people living with HIV have internalized stigma. This not only hinders their access to health care, but it makes it difficult for them to enjoy their right to work. In collaboration with our partners PEPFAR, CDC, UNAIDS, and JN+, we are working to create environments where all employees feel safe and companies can get the best of their talents. To our member companies who have participated in these sensitization sessions, thank you. Thank you for stepping up to reduce stigma and discrimination in the workplace. Together, we are looking beyond labels and manufacturing a stigma-free workplace.